Happy February! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to tell you about our kids craft take and make kit that we have for this month. So it is Valentine's Day themed. It is a button heart ornament that you are going to make. Here is my completed one. I'm going to give you directions in the next part of the video for how to make it. Make sure you stop by Columbus or Saluda Library this week or this month to get your kit that contains all of the supplies you need except for glue. And as I talk about in the next part of the video, if you want to color your wooden heart, you might also want markers or paint to do that, or you can leave it plain like I did. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that you have your take and make kit, the other supply you will need that is not in the kit is glue. So inside your kit you have your heart-shaped wooden ornament. You have a piece of string, and that is going to be to hang your ornament up wherever you would like. And you have 10 different red and pink buttons. And those are Valentine's Day colors since it is February. So I'm going to leave my heart ornament the plain light brown color that it is. If you wanted and you have the supplies at home, you could paint it or color it with markers to make it red or pink or whatever color you like if you think that would look better, or if you just like that better. But I'm going to leave mine the plain brown, and then I'm just going to glue my buttons on. So you might want to kind of set them out and do whatever design you like first. I'm just going to randomly put them on there, kind of alternate the red and the pink. Feels like I have the same amount of each, I think. Got a few more pinks in there. So just get those where you like them, and then you're going to take your glue and you're going to glue each button to the ornament. And I won't do all that on camera, but you will glue all your 10 buttons. You will let it dry, and then after it's dry, you just stick the string through this small heart on your ornament and tie it. And then you can hang it up for a lovely Valentine's Day decoration. Have fun!